Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. Big changes this morning. We're back into the 40s here in most locations, so about a 20-degree temperature change from yesterday morning. As in Shreveport, we're at 47, and we're at 45 degrees in Texarkana, and those 40s are just about everywhere. Reason for that, we do have the cloud cover and also the south wind. That is helping to blanket us this morning, so kind of a very nice start to the day here in most locations, comparatively speaking to what we've been through this week. And a look at pinpoint Doppler, even though we do have the cloud cover, not getting any rainfall yet, but that's likely going to change as we move through the day today. You can see some of the clouds streaming through the region this morning. You're kind of seeing the mid and upper level clouds there, but there's a lot of low level cloud cover as well, and eventually you may see a few showers pop up today. Right now the winds out of the south and southeast about 5 to 10 miles per hour, maybe breezy at times a little bit later this morning and this afternoon, as we can expect those wind speeds at times maybe between 10 and 15 miles per hour, but a pretty nice day for us. Again, warming through the 50s this morning and should settle into the 60s this afternoon, and actually a warm front moving across the region later today brings even warmer conditions for the day on Friday. But there are your forecast highs today, about 63 in Shreveport, Texarkana, coming in at 61 degrees, 59 for Idabel, and also 59 in DeQueen today. Look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast. Does show the cloud cover kind of moving across the region this morning. Mentioned occasionally we may see a pop-up shower here or there. It's not going to be much rain, and I do think most locations will probably miss it today, but you see those rain chances will continue for us off and on as we go through the day Friday. Very light accumulations here for the next few days. Getting our first look at the Storm Prediction Center's Outlook map for Saturdays. We are still looking at the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms. I think as expected, most of the Arklatex here in that slight risk area, again on that 1 to 5 scale, that's a level 2 threat here for us, and it still looks like we could see some high winds, some hail, and maybe a few tornadoes as well, but you'll see Futurecast is really kind of backed off on this activity, and that was a trend we did start to notice late yesterday. But you see some of the rainfall showing up early in the morning, and you see some of the storms even popping up maybe over Texarkana a little bit before 8, 9 o'clock in the morning. Shreveport 10 a.m. and may see some lingering rain here south of Interstate 20 through the early afternoon, but don't anticipate any kind of severe weather threat into the late afternoon Saturday. But we should begin to dry out a bit. Clouds will be with us on Sunday, but expecting we'll squeeze in a dry day on Sunday, and enjoy those dry days while we have them. There won't be too many over the next week. You see our rainfall totals between now and Saturday pretty light here, maybe some 1 to 2 inch amounts south of Interstate 20, and we do have a pretty rainy pattern setting up next week. So all told, next 7 days could see some 2 to 3 inch rainfall amounts as we go through the next 7 days or so. There's your 7-day forecast. Again, back into the 70s tomorrow, 60s for us on Sunday, and we'll keep it in the 60s and 70s. So really a spring-like week next week with those rain chances setting up Monday, Tuesday into next Wednesday.